Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make corn casserole, corn pudding, whatever you'd like to call it. These are the ingredients. The sugar, the salt, and the green onions are optional, but I like to add more flavor in, so this is how I'm going to do mine. I'm going to start by melting this butter in the microwave. I'm going to do it for about a minute, and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. First thing I'm going to add is the sour cream. It's about a cup. I'm going to dump in my Jiffy corn muffin mix. You could use any flavor or any brand you'd like. I have a can of drained whole corn. We have a can of cream corn. Because when I cook my corn, I always add salt and a little bit of sugar. So this is totally optional. The green onions are optional, just a little bit more flavor. And I'm also going to add an egg. That's just going to make it a little bit fluffier. So these are all the ingredients. We'll get this mixed up